Hello Blacksheep and welcome to the final training video of a field operations training course. So let's get started. First off, before we taxi, we'll check our left and right sides to make sure the taxiway is clear. Now we'll announce our request our taxi clearance. Northwest Guam, Blacksheep 509er up on the ramp, ready for taxi. Blacksheep 509er cleared to taxi to runway 06 via the taxiway. Clear taxi via taxiway to runway 06. We'll hold short of runway 06. Alright. And now we'll there. Northwest Tower. Blacksheep 509 holding short of runway 06. Ready for takeoff. Blacksheep 509er. Winds calm, clear takeoff runway 06. The reason I said winds calm because I didn't know the exact wind because I forgot to check the briefing menu and just for simplicity purposes. So that's a headwind, so we should be good. And now, since we have been given the clear takeoff call, then take off. I'm just gonna flare on the pattern, and you will be out of a taxi after you landed. Boom. Here we go. Now we're rolling down the runway. Nice and easy. Alright, here we go. And now air coolers to wide open. And now we're climbing. There we go. Keep it at more or less level. Looks to be in the green. There we go. Should be good now. Right now. Oh, level. Climbing. Coming a little closer to the runway. Alright, here we go. So now gear coming down. Firm flaps are coming down. I'm going cowl flaps fully open. First time, Blacksheep 509 beam gear, full stop, 06. And now when we're still flying, runway Well, we're making sure that there's nobody in front of us or nobody behind us. We're on the ground. It's getting a bit. I'm gonna close the canopy. It got a bit too loud. In our turns, make sure our instruments in green. Yeah, we are. We are definitely in the blue zone. And our manifold are in the green. Airspeed's good. Right, confirm. Gear down and locked. Flaps down and locked. Fuel's good. Altitude's okay. And here we go. There's the runway off to our 10, 9 o'clock, 10, 11 o'clock. And now keep power at full. Oh, nothing as well. Alright. So, we'll check. There's nobody in front of us. And there's nobody off there on left and right. Or we'll clear the runway. Our first tower, Blacksheep 5 clear runway 06. Northwest ground, Blacksheep 5 request. Park at the ramp. Clear to park at the ramp. Blacksheep 5 clear to park. Alright, here we go. We're parking it. That was a short video, but pretty much explaining how to taxi around the airfield safely and effectively. And you always want to be scanning the horizon, what's up ahead of you from left to right, up and down, so you can always make sure that you're not gonna cross into others' aircraft paths. So I hope this video was helpful, and that's the end of our field operations training course.